Welcome back to my channel. In this video I came back from the water park with Lucas, and Lucas put his iPhone XS Max in one of those waterproof pouches, and it apparently failed and water got inside the pouch, and now his XS Max is water damaged. And I am making this video to show you how to fix a water damaged iPhone XS Max or iPhone 10 or any phone. I did this trick with my drone and it worked. First thing, the thing I did with my water damaged drone that fixed it is I just left it in a box of rice over at least 3 days. It's recommended you do 1 to 2 days, but I did with my drone 3 days to a week in a box of rice, and it fixed it all. So I would recommend the rice because that will work 100%. And if you take it out of the water really quick and get home, you can also use a hair dryer, put it on low, and then hair dry, turn it on, and then put it blow on low heat at the bottom of the phone right here, because those are where water enters the phone. You could do the side, but that shouldn't matter. You can see that the camera's fogged up with water. Trying to fix this phone for Lucas. See, put on low heat. And then put at the bottom. Also at the earpiece right there. And yeah, if step 1 doesn't work, use step 2, the dryer. If both don't work, you can go to the Apple store and see if they can fix it, or if those other things don't work. So yeah, if this helped, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button. And yeah, peace out.